running through the uniformed back office. This is what school users would use to upload stuff onto the back office for prospective parents to then purchase through the front end. So I'm going to get straight into it and log in here. So this is what we're greeted with on the back office as soon as you sign in. So this is the item catalog. These are the current items that have already been uploaded for purchasing and for collection, etc., etc. We'll run through that in just a sec. On the left, we also have orders, admins, emails, settings, and also you have the option to log out. We'll run through those independently in just a sec. So we're going to go ahead and create an item here by clicking this button. So we want to sell a white polo shirt, boys, for PE, let's say. So this is like new condition, boys PE shirt for collection. Actually, let's just say PE shirt has only been used 3 times. So there we go. So then we're going to go ahead and select the gender. You have female, male, or unisex. I'm going to choose male for now. The category of this would be, we have a multitude of selections here. We're going to choose shirt here. The condition is used. It's like new, but still used. The size, we could say it is a 14 around the collar. So then we could choose our colors here. We have a light selection of color, including multicolor as well. I'm going to choose white, and the material here would be cotton. Let's just say, for an example, we're going to take the chance to also upload our iconography here, upload the imagery here, sorry, clicking this iconography. So we're going to navigate to our image, the white PE polo, pop that on there. You have the option to upload many images here as well. So let's say we wanted to sell this for about £20. Expensive shirt. So then we can go ahead and click create item. Now what this does is the item's been saved successfully, and you can see it down here. So that is cool. So if we click this triple dots, we also have the option to edit that, go back into it and change some things. We also can remove the item and also cancel our editing there. You can also do the same thing by checking the item stuff here and then clicking edit item as well. So I'm going to cancel out of that. So also we can go ahead and search for specific items here. We have a selection available, unavailable, which is the status here. And we can go ahead and check that, and you can see it comes up there. So let's remove that. So next, let's go down to orders. So you can see here we have a bunch of orders that have been through. We have date that it was ordered, school that it's selected to, in case you are managing multiple schools, the order status, in this case we have refunded, payment processing, and just processing in general. The amount here, for demo purposes most of them say 0. You can see you can have a variation of amounts. The order number here as well. And if we were to click this caret down, you can actually see some more information here about the item. So this was refunded, £10. The item ID is 70. You can see it's fully refunded. So we can also go through some other things here like payment processing. So let's go ahead and take this one down here, for example, the £8.50, the boys cardigan. That item's been ordered. But we're going to say, okay, it's ready to collect now. The stuff has gone through, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Are you sure you want to mark this order as ready to collect? We're going to go ahead and proceed. Awesome stuff. So you can now see that that is now ready to collect down here. Awesome stuff. So that will be updated, and then we can say, okay, that's been collected now by the parent or by the prospective parent. Now it changes to collected, which is awesome. If at any point you would like to refund, we also have a refund button down here, but also you can see it in this menu that it's now appeared as an action. So we're going to go ahead and select this as refund. We're going to be having to ask a reason for the refund. So right now we have fraudulent or requested by customer. Let's say the customer was not happy with the item. Maybe there was something that wasn't identified during typing in. So we're going to say requested by customer. This will issue a full refund to the customer. Are you sure? We're going to go ahead and click proceed. So now you can see the refund has been successful, and it is now updated its order status there. So very useful. There we go. Next, we'd move on to admins. So this is the current admin, except for the Malmesbury Secondary School here. You can see the display name and also the email address that the user signed up with. This is for read-only purposes. So we can create an admin here. So you can choose first names, last names, email, confirmation email, which would be useful. For demonstration purposes, we're going to gloss over that because we're already logged in and we don't want to create anyone new. But that is very useful there. Emails here. So this is the message your customer will receive throughout the purchase process. So when the order has been placed, when it's ready to collect, etc., etc. So here is some random information here. The contact person to pick up the order from, in this case is Lisa. Contact number, the number you'd put in there if there's any problems, same with the email. Additional details, this is free text, so you can put anything in there. So you could pick it up from this hour to this hour. The refunded message would be a template for what the user would receive. So once again, contact information, as well as additional details here, which is once again free text. So collected message, once again, similar contact information and additional details. This is so you can personalize your message throughout the payment processing areas. Ready to collect message, once again, contact information. We're also adding in a contact location, contact days, contact time, and the additional details as well. So we can save all of that. Since we haven't done anything, nothing will change, which is perfect. And then we also have settings as well, where you can change your login password and stuff like that. But as you can see throughout all of this, we can search for stuff, we can filter it as well in the catalog, in the orders as well. We can search by order number, which is here. We can search by these filters, processing, cancelled, and ready to collect. We can also filter by date as well, which is useful. So that is a quick run through of the back office. If there's any questions or issues, do not hesitate to get in touch, and thank you.